What was the opposite of Yaakov? He had a twin brother. And he was the king of sophistication. He was constantly trying to manipulate everyone around him for his whole life in order to acquire things for himself. And he was always miserable, even though he became wealthy, even though he had so much physical possessions, even though he physically took care of whatever he wanted to by means of force. He was always angry and sad, to the extent that they went two separate ways. Yaakov went to go live in the tents, meaning, I'm going to go trust HaShem with my life. Not that I'm going to be irresponsible, but I'm going to know when and where my hishtadlut ends and where it begins. It begins and ends with my mouth. I'm going to go learn, I'm going to go pray. I'm going to go work honestly, and even if this guy is screwing me over, I'm going to continue working honestly, because I'm not working for this guy, I'm working for HaShem.
לא ינום ולא יישן שוי